Hello everyone, I'm Malia Mahajibin and I'm presenting GloballyU, a project we developed for our course Elements of Software Development. The course is instructed by Dr. Sheikh Iqbal Ahmed, and I have two group members here, Ran Ramirez and Mohammad Junaid. So this is just the workflow of our slide. For the introduction, I will let you know what GloballyU is. GloballyU provides a supportive community where international students can be themselves and learn to navigate the ups and downs of their life in abroad. I hope it makes your life easier. And these are the features we deploy in our website, like connecting with the friend, networking socially and professionally in both lives, joining communities, both US communities and cultural communities of and events, and also access to immigration resources like I-94 and other resources. So the objective. What was the motivation when we thought of creating this website? International students often experience homesickness. I mean, we all have once or like twice have felt this. So this was a statistic that the international student return home twice a year on average. Also, many struggle with cultural shock. The weather is really different from our countries here. Also, like the dorms where they are staying, and many other things like food is very different in US and our other countries. So I hope this website make your life more easier. And there are many misleading and inadequate information about visa and immigration issues, which make us struggle more to do something or move forward in our abroad life. So, globally, you is presenting information together that can make your life easier. And the target population of our is the international student in US, the undergrad and the graduate student. The age limit is 18 to 30 years for now. Maybe we can increase that in the future work. And the minimum stay in US is 1 year. That's our minimum requirement for the experience of the participant. Data analysis. So before deploying the website, we did a survey. We followed snowball technique. We collected data from our friends, and the survey was conducted to collect user stories. And we have 23 user stories. 13 male and 10 female participants responded to it. And of course, we took the data from our friends. So all of them, they are Marquette students. So based on the data, we deploy features on our website. The social media the users preferred are Facebook and email. So that we deployed in our website for now. My group member will show that to you. And the event they prefer is offline event. And most of the participants talked about the problems they faced is culture and food. And most demanding feature they wanted when we asked them what you want from the website is connecting with a friend and join events. So I hope globally you can solve this problem by deploying the feature. Now my next group member Junaid will show you the demo of the website. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Junaid and I'll be taking over from Maliha now. So let us look into the methodology of the project. So when it comes to the methodology, the main thing we have to discuss is the technology stack. So for the technology stack, the front end we have used is the React.js library and Material UI. For the APIs, we have used the Node.js, Express and Postman API. And for the backend, we have used the popular MongoDB. So this is what the technology stack is looking like. Let us see what the actual website looks like when it is deployed. So this is the GloballyU website. This is the first splash page that a user sees when they enter the website. As you can see, first they are greeted with a carousel of all the features that the GloballyU website has. You can see I'm switching them around. And also, if you scroll down, you will see that we have a card that talks all about GloballyU. GloballyU can be used to connect, to network, and also to learn. Additionally, at the bottom, we have the contact details of all the developers of this app or the team members that we have worked on this app. Now let us try to sign up for an account and see how we can access the features. So I'm just going to enter some of my details on the sign up page that we have created. And yeah, from there, we are going to see what the process of creating an account is and also the various features that one can access. Right? School, career in school, graduate, and the major can be computer and information science major. Okay, now that I've filled out my personal details, I will proceed to fill out a user profile. So the user profile has to adhere to some specification that we've coded into the sign up process. As you can see, now all of my criteria are being met, and only then can I create an account. The account has been created and we have been redirected to the login page. Now, using those same credentials, I will attempt to log in. So pass 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, these are the credentials that I used to sign up, and now I can also use these to log in. Once I've logged in, I am greeted with the tile that shows the logged in user. Once we have logged in, we can now have access to all of the different features that GloballyU offers. One of them is going to be signing up for events. You can see there are various events here, and we can add them to our list of our personal events. Suppose I want to join the Diwali celebration event. Additionally, I also want to join the International Food Festival event. Once I join both of these events will then be added to the My Events tab where I can view all the events that I have. Additionally, I can also create calendar reminders for these events. One of the reasons we created GloballyU was to spread resources amongst the international students. And as you can see, under the Resources tab, we have access to many different resources. If I'm supposed to click on one of these resources, I'm promptly redirected to one of these pages. Also, during the survey, we understood that Facebook was the main method that people used or the users wanted to use to communicate with each other, which is why under the Connect and Network tab, we are redirected to a Facebook page where we can create our account or sign up and just talk to the people that we need to. And now, once we have accessed all of the various features of the GloballyU platform, we are also able to go out. There we go. And that has been all from me. Thank you. And Brian will be taking over the presentation from now. Thank you.
Thank you, Junaid. And taking over from Junaid, hi everyone. My name is Ryan Ramirez, and I will be going over the evaluation scenarios. So scenario one, a user creates an account. User credentials will be added to the data when they sign up after users can log in, connecting with other users. Users will be directed the user to the Facebook page where they can add a friend and message them, attending an event. Users will be able to register for an event and add it to the calendar entry and access to resources. Users can access professional and immigration information resources through the Resources tab. Next, we have future work. Some of the future plans we plan to implement include a messaging feature, which users can use to message other users and connect with them via the site. Adding more social media accounts other than Facebook, like, for example, Instagram and LinkedIn. Implement a community feature from which users can connect with other users that are from a like country. Like, for example, if multiple users from a country want to connect, they can do so through the community feature. Alpha testing. So prior to hosting the website, we plan to deploy this and make sure that all of our features work. And finally, we plan to host the website online so that everyone can access the website from anywhere. This provided our few references. Thank you very much. That is all.